Adverse effects of refined oil and its healthy alternatives. Refined oil is the processed form of natural oil which is obtained after treating natural oils with numerous chemicals. The oils are subjected to a hydrogenation process in which liquid unsaturated fat is turned into solid fat by adding hydrogen to it, resulting in excess production of trans fat in the oils, which has an adverse effect. In the process of extraction of vegetable oils from plants, high heat pressure and chemical solvents are used. Thus, the oils oxidize and become rancid as well as lose many or all of their properties. This renders them toxic, disrupts omega-6 and omega-3 balance. Refined oils, crucial for brain health and hormone production, often feature an imbalanced omega-6 to omega-3 ratio, deviating from the recommended 1:4 to 1:2 to a concerning 20:1, can be cancerous. The incorporation of nickel, a hazardous chemical in natural oil processing, in some refined oil can render cooking oil or food posing a serious health risk. Loaded with trans fat, high temperature hydrogenation in refined oil production generates trans fat, leading to rancidity and free radical formation, contributing to heart disease and cancer. Cardiac risk: the elevated temperature applied during refined oil processing strips away natural elements, increasing the concentration of harmful trans fat, posing a significant threat to heart. Respiratory issues: refined oil processing techniques involving dewaxing, bleaching, degumming, deodorizing, and other harsh treatments may contribute to respiratory diseases. Presence of preservatives. Additionally, refined oils may contain emulsifiers, artificial flavors, synthetic vitamins, colors, and sodium, making absorption by the human body challenging. Oils we should avoid: soybean oil, canola oil, corn oil, hydrogenated oil. Oils we should include olive oil, virgin coconut oil, flaxseed oil, cold pressed oil. Nowadays, based on health concerns, oil-free diets are largely accepted by people. With an oil-free diet, one must keep in mind their intake requirements for essential fatty acids as well as fat-soluble vitamins and nutrients. Fats and oils can help nutrient absorption from a meal, especially unrefined fats are essential to lead a healthy lifestyle as they enhance our immune and endocrine systems, are needed for energy and play an important role in bone health. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue to bring you valuable insights and tips to help a happier and healthier life. Take care of yourself and see you next time on Sharjah Health Matters.